I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be creating this gorgeous sculpted pastel set which glows in the dark. I freaking love how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely stunning. So we're going to start off first by adding primer. I've already applied my forms and prepped my nails, so let's get straight into the video. I'm using these size, I can't remember if it's the 14 or a 12, I'm not sure. I'll have to check. I'm probably not going to, but I think it's a 14 rainbow aqua brush. I've already applied my primer, you saw that. I'm coming now in with the crystal clear acrylic and just forming that bond with the natural nail and coming over the free edge so that I can build the base and kind of have an even layer to work on. Now sometimes when I'm doing sculpting nails I will go ahead and build a complete full base. This time, you know, I don't know what happened. I did my other hand, you can see, and it just went really weird for some reason. I didn't plan it very well. I started off with a super short set, finished it, but then wanted them long, so then changed it up, and it really made it hard work. So yeah, we're just going to go with the flow, try and match it to the other hand, and hopefully it works. So I'm using Perfect Pink as my cover powder for this entire set, and then I'm using a mixture of colours. I'm using Mint Frost, Lemon Frost, Gossip Girl, Peach Bellini and Seduction. But I will list all the products that I'm using in the description box down below, so if you want to check it out then go ahead and do that. But basically the process that I'm following is Perfect Pink at the cuticle area, blending that just over the free edge of the natural nail. I'm then coming in with the colour powder which I've chosen, and then I'm coming in with this mix which is Skyline. It is a glow in the dark acrylic. I am living for it. It is amazing, love it. When I go to bed at night I'm like, ooh, it's a party, my nails are glowing, it's looking fabulous. I'm like shoving them in babe's face like, look at those, look at them, they're beautiful, and it's like, yeah. But honestly the glow in dark powders are amazing, I freaking love it. But yeah, I'm just adding that to the free edge and then swooping it over the top of the colour and then over the Perfect Pink ever so slightly as well. I wanted it kind of like a swirly gradient ombre glow, but not full block colour. I think I did it justice of the idea I had in my head, and it turned out pretty cool. Like the whole set together looked bomb, and I was overall very happy with it. So I'm just going to follow that same process, and I'm going to let you guys just chill, watch everything go along. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already, give this video a thumbs up and share it as well, and I will be back a little later on. Bye. Now that I've finished sculpting the nail set out, it's time to come in and remove the forms. I haven't encapsulated yet, I don't think. No, at this point I haven't encapsulated. I'm going to do that in a little minute. But I wanted to remove the forms so that I can do my thumb. And when you're working on your own nails, it's kind of hard to kind of bend your nails round and work on the thumb at the same time because they're just so long that it gets in the way. So yeah, doing that right now, and then I'm going to move on to sculpting the thumbnail, which is going to be pink, and I love it. I literally love how this set turned out. Okay, now I have finished with my set. I'm allowing the thumb just to harden and polymerize, and I'm coming in with the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and gonna go ahead and encapsulate all of the set, making sure that everything is fan-dabby-dozy, the structure is on point, and everything is encapsulated nice and evenly. Once I've finished encapsulating everything and everything's set, I come in with my 180 grit nail files and filed everything. Got everything sharp. I don't know what I was trying to say, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. And then I'm coming in with my square buffing block and then my two buffers, 180 and then my 240 sponge buffers. They are available on the website now, and I just love them for taking all of those scratches out of the nails. Look how smooth they are. That's before I've done anything else. I've not added any top coat. I've got rid of all those scratches just using those three buffers, the square one, then the 180, then the 240. That just helps when you come in with your top coat to make a super extra shiny surface. It does help. Like, I have done the top coat over the top without doing that, and you can definitely see a difference. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, add super gloss, cure that in the light for the full 60 seconds, and then we can add our cuticle oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and use our Cuticle oil pen, and this one is coconut scent. Absolutely love it, and I am loving these pens. You guys are as well. We seem to be packing so many of the oil pens and the jumbo bottles, so thank you so much for all of your orders. It means so freaking much to us. Just getting that right in there, really smooshing it around, hydrating those nails and cuticles. You can also put it under your nails as well. I recommend doing this once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening for extra healthy, strong, long nails. And your enhancements are just going to last so much longer if you take this time to look after them and care for them. And there it is. That is everything. Literally, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you love how it turned out. And I hope you guys love the fact that it glows in the dark. Like, damn, I love it. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching. And as always, please remember that you are bomb.com. Lit as fuck. And don't ever, like literally ever, let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!